Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Gundam Seed Destiny Astray. And again, this is a 1/100 scale, so meaning this is not a master grade, but the height is comparable to master grade. And so I have here Gundam ASTRAY Gold Frame Amatsu. So this is an Orb Union model kit or mobile suit, which is being piloted by the twin Sahaku siblings. So I really like the form of this model kit because it's a bit unique to me. And the right arm of this kit is being replaced by the Gundam Blitz, and the form of this model kit is somehow like the Gundam H2 Darkhound. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this 1/100 scale Gundam ASTRAY Gold Frame Amatsu has to offer us. The box art of this Gundam ASTRAY Gold Frame Amatsu is just like your average master grade Gundam box size, and there we can see here the gold frame Amatsu on its box art, anime box art. And what I like on this model kit is it has an asymmetrical feature where there's a different set of arms, where this arm is belong to the Gundam Blitz. Yep. So the right arm is the Gundam Blitz style of hands or arms, and the left arm is the same with the rest of the body. So in the size of the box, we can see in the front view. So the front view here is very nice. I really like the appearance of the kit because it looks like or somehow resembles the Gundam H2 Darkhound with some gold designs here. And yes, the Gundam Blitz arm can be seen in the right portion. And I really like the appearance of this kit. It looks badass for me. And there, the back part or the rear view, we can see that the wings can clasp together like this. And the wings can be also turned like this to shoot some arrows, which is just like the same of the features from the Gundam H2 Darkhound. Okay, so on the other side of the box, we can see some as what I discussed a while ago. Can shoot some guided arrows there, and the Blitz weapon on the right arm, and there the gold frame without the backpack. And also this is the pilot, Mina Sahaku, Rondo Mina Sahaku, female pilot. And the back of the box, you can see some printout also. So this is unique in this kind of box from 1/100 scale kits, where Bandai can print also features from the back of the box. Okay. So if we open the box here, we can see parts. There we got the gold parts, but this is sprayed gold in the silver runner, on the silver runner parts. So this is just a sprayed gold. So be careful when cleaning this kind of paint, especially if you're cleaning with the thinners or alcohol, because might slough off the paint of the gold. Then we got this black parts here, shiny black parts. So this is glossy finish. Yep, this is a glossy painted black. But the stickers, yep, there's there's some dents in the foil sticker. There we got the black parts and gray parts. And there are chunky. These are chunky parts, chunky gray parts. Then gold parts. Again, sprayed gold sprayed parts. So this is not injection plastic of gold, or not your undergated gold. So as I can see, this is not undergated, so be careful when cutting the nub mark or the nub, because it will really cause nub marks on the gold. It's supposed to be gold parts, but fortunately I have this gold pen that can do some remedy on the nubs. Then the black parts here for the wings. So these are chunky. These are big wings. And as I can see, this will consume so much shelf space. Then we got black polycaps here. So these are black polycaps, and there another chunky black parts for the armor pieces. Then let's go to the instruction manual here. We got the gold frame Amatsu Mina here, and we can see the pilot figures here. These are the brothers and sister. They are twin brothers and sister, Gina and Mina. So they are from the Sahaku family. Then if we open the manual, we can see some color guided list here, and there are parts that are not included with the kit. So it's a big turn off for me, because as much as possible I like all the parts to be consumed, but it feels like I wasted some of my money on buying this, because there are some parts that cannot be used. Anyway, I will just keep some of those. Maybe I can use it in some kit bashing in the future. So there we can see a black and white print out here, and judging the appearance of this kit, this is not that hard to build. It's because this is just a basic 1/100 kit, same like a high grade kit of Bandai. So this will not consume so much time for me to build. There are manga depictions here where we can see the Astray gold frame. To be honest, I much like the Astray gold frame compared with the Amatsu, but I just like the Amatsu to be part of my collection because it deeply resembles the Dark Hound, or the H2 Dark Hound. I want to partner this to my Gundam H2 Dark Hound. Okay. So there, it's not that complicated build. This is an easy build, to be honest. I can finish this within 2 hours of doing straight build. So there we can see color guidelines of the Amatsu Mina. I like this Katar here. This is a Katar weapon. And there we can see the other poses for this kit. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. I will start with this gold parts here. We got runner F2 and runner F1. So this is runner F1 and F2. Then another gold parts here for runner D2. And for this light shade of gold here, we got runner C. So as you can see, let's compare this. This is somehow a bright gold shade, and this is a light gold shade. But here in the camera, they just look almost the same, but in actual, this is brighter than this one on the runner C. Okay, so let's go with this big chunky parts here with some multicolored runners here. We got black, bluish gray, red, and glossy black here. This is runner A. Then we got here bluish gray colored runner with some glossy touch. So this is runner E here. Then finally, we got the majority of black colored parts, glossy black, which is runner B here. Then for the wing binders, we got runner G1 and runner G2 for the wings. Then we got black polycaps for the joints, and this glossy plastic here also for runner H. For some gimmicks, we got these strings here, or guided wires for the guided arrows that will be shot from the wings. And finally, we got this foil stickers, which has so much creases because of packaging problem or packaging matters. So thank you very much for watching this unboxing of the Gundam ASTRAY gold frame Amatsu from Gundam Seed ASTRAY. So thank you very much, and see you next time on my review. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, and take care.